Did you know that? The identifying nature of tiger skin. The stripes and ridges on every tiger's skin and cheeks are like a human being's fingerprints. The patterns and details in people's fingerprints are completely unique to the individual. The fingerprints of all the people alive today and all those who ever lived in the past are different to one another. In the same way that human beings' fingerprints all have different patterns and can be used to identify them, so the stripes on the tiger belong to a single individual alone. I seek refuge in Allah from the accursed Satan. The kingdom of the heavens and earth belongs to Allah. He creates whatever He wills. He gives daughters to whoever He wishes, and He gives sons to whoever He wishes.